Hello everyone, I'm Mokat. Today we're going to teach you how to draw a unicorn. Let's get started. If you'd like to see me draw something else, please leave a comment and let me know.